the Shetty Commission came to the conclusion that this kind of thing, that you are not eligible to sit for the direct recruitment, is creating a lot of frustration and a lot of stagnation amongst civil judges. And this is something that your Lordship has recently noted, that the reason why we are getting not very good people for appointment as civil judges is because they feel that they get completely stagnated. I get into the service and then now for 15, 16 years, I will not even become a district judge. Your Lordship has noticed a lot of those.
We should notice in that matter.
Yes, yes. No, so last week your Lordship has issued notice, but before that your Lordship noticed where your Lordship has said that senior division should be the requirement of 5 years and senior division should be reduced to 3 years. Your Lordship has noticed in that, my Lord, in one part of the judgment, how long it takes to even become a district judge for civil judges. Sometimes in some states up to 15, 16 years.
Right away, I was also telling the Honorable Chief, one of my law clerk back there in my High Court, I persuaded to accept the civil judge unit division. She's a topper. Last time she met me, then she said, I want to resign.
Yeah. Correct.
Where do I end? These are aspirations of the young mind. So,
and
what extent we can curtail their...
correct. And if your Lordship were to hold...
Unfortunately, many of the brilliant candidates who join us with the senior divisions, they don't even reach up to the principal district judge.
Yeah.
Yes. They have to retire in the... They get stagnated as district judges for years together.
Correct. And some of them are, I mean, one of these people who...
So we have to look at it not from their point of view also, from the point of view of the institution and the concept of basic structure.
Yeah.
The idea is to give a qualitative service from the judicial officers. If it does not facilitate it, then you have to take, it will be a contrary to the constitutional mandate.
Absolutely right. If you tell
people
you
have
that
to
if you are
make the bottom of pristine quality, and then you have to take it forward.
Correct.
But if you make it much weaker, then it will justify the structure and keep going in appeal, revision, further appeal, SLPs.
Absolutely right.
This is the
If your Lordship were to hold, my Lord, that 233 to permit civil judges to sit directly for this direct recruitment of higher judicial service, it would encourage so many more people to take the civil judges exam, because then they won't feel like once we are in here, it will take us 15, 16 years to become district judges. We are excluded.
They will not come. So.
Yes.
How do we encourage our juniors to take this examination?
Correct.
So he is saying that if you answer that question in their favor, then it...
That's right. Absolutely right, my Lord. Because if right now they have the feeling, look, if I take this, I'm stuck. I can't sit for the higher judicial service exam. I can only go by promotion or limited departmental, and sometimes that you becoming eligible for that limited departmental comparative examination comes after, my Lord, the date where you can be considered for promotion. And very often it takes about 14, 15 years. Whereas if this was permissible, then within 3 years they become civil judge, another 4 years where they'll have a combined experience of 7 years, at least they can sit for the exam.
So that you are agreeable, so even in the event.
But I am agreeable. I am agreeable, although, my Lord, the Constitution doesn't say so, but I feel that your Lordship can lay down, because after all, there has to be a certain amount of experience that a person must possess for being. If you must have 7 years as a lawyer, you must also have 7 years as a civil judge, or combined experience of lawyer plus civil judge.
What about age? So then, if for direct district judges, age is prescribed as 35, then if you are permitted to join it prior to that, it will not be discriminatory towards the members of the bar.
It's a gender restriction.
It should be so long as...
goes along with now, even for the lawyers of the age restriction is there. That gender restriction will be there. Age has to be.
It is another requirement. Age is another requirement.